Fight School. Class is in session. It's your coach. Today it was a nice slip combo. You guys were punching me. I, the fighter, would take the slip. I would recorrect. I would parry the incoming punch, which would be a cross from the power side. And then I would get this hand back up to block. Notice when I slip, I take my head and shoulders off that center line so that the jab, if it's coming here, I'm gonna miss it. My eyes are focused. I'm coming back because I never stay here too long. With that hook coming, I come back. Uh-oh, here comes the cross. It was a 1-2. I'm gonna bat it down, shift my body weight to the back. And now, hey, there's a hole here. Maybe the hook's coming. I'm gonna block that hook. Slip, parry, block. By now, I've left myself open again. I've gotta back out or go to the jab side of my opponent. It's complicated, it's calculus, but if you practice, you get really good and you can see punches coming from a mile away. We work with the noodles. We get it cracking, guys. Hey guys, so Fight School is gonna begin with a complex move. This is the slip combo. It starts with a slip as I throw the jab. It continues as I throw the cross with a parry and a block as I throw the hook. I'm throwing 1, 2, 3 with the noodles, and we're gonna make a sharper fighter out of our partner, out of Alex here today. I throw the 1, 2, 3. She's gonna slip. She's gonna slip away from my power to the outside. I come back with the 2, as I said in the intro, and all she's doing is watching my chest and reacting. After we do the slip combo, we add the cross because, hey, what's the point in making someone miss if you're not gonna make them hurt? You're not gonna make them pay right after you make them miss. So right after we get that block and that hand is by the ear, we block the hook, we come right back. We fill our opponent's hole, the hole that they left from hooking, with a punch. It lands right where we want it to be. That's smart fighting, guys. We're not dumb fighters. I like to always inspire or try to inspire in my trainees that we fight first with what we got on top of our shoulders. Hey, and then we use our fists. We use our legs to get away, to kick, right? It's all heady shit. You use your mind to fight. So, once we get a rhythm down, I'm working hand-eye coordination with Alex. This isn't a power drill. Yo, if you're thinking you're gonna muscle through this one, your muscles are gonna flame out. You're not gonna have much left. This is a scholarly drill. I'm able to add the check here and still continue with my 1, 2, 3. You notice Alex is getting her hands back by her face, and that's one of the keys. Get your hands back by your face. Every time you make a move, a slip or a block, you're back to home base. When you apply offense, when you're done with your attack, hands, they're back to your face. That way you're ready. You're ready to attack, or you're ready to punch. Try it out, school. Fight School. Class is dismissed. Good job.